From classic Brazilian waxes to the latest eco-friendly trends, hair removal is evolving faster than ever. But what's truly new and what's just hype? Stay tuned as we uncover the latest waxing trends that are revolutionizing the beauty industry. Hair removal has always been a personal choice, but trends have played a significant role in shaping preferences, from the bushy styles of the 70s to today's obsession with smooth, polished skin. What's driving these shifts? The clean girl's aesthetic is more than just fashion. It's about a polished, effortless look. With minimal body hair becoming a key part of this trend, many are turning to waxing as their go-to solution. While many choose to wax for a sleek finish, body positivity movements emphasize that all choices are valid. The key: feeling confident in your own skin with or without body hair. Brazilian Hollywood and bikini waxes have been staples for years, but now innovative methods like sugaring and thread-based techniques are gaining traction. What's the best option for you? Let's break it down. We've all heard of pain-free waxing, but is it really possible? While new techniques claim to be gentler, understanding pain thresholds and proper prep is key to a better experience. Waxing doesn't end when you leave the salon. Proper aftercare is essential to prevent irritation, ingrown hairs, and keep your skin glowing. Hear what you need to know. Did you know that traditional waxing products often contain synthetic resins and non-biodegradable strips? Let's talk about their environmental impact. Good news. Many brands now offer plant-based waxes, reusable strips, and packaging-free options that are both effective and eco-conscious. More people are ditching salon visits for DIY waxing kits, but is it safe? Here's how to do it right without the burns and bruises. Does waxing make your hair grow back thicker? Can you wax while pregnant? We're debunking the biggest myths about waxing so you can make informed choices. Not all waxing salons are created equal. Here's how to spot a trained professional and avoid a waxing nightmare. Feeling nervous about your waxing appointment? Here's how to communicate your needs to get the best results. Waxing isn't the only option. Innovations like laser hair removal and IPL are changing the game, but are they worth the hype? With AI-driven beauty technology and personalized hair removal plans, the future looks exciting. What's next for hair removal? Let's find out. At the end of the day, the best hair removal method is the one that makes you feel confident. Whether it's waxing, shaving, or going au naturel, own your choice. Which waxing trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty insights. See you in the next video.